People's National Party Women's Movement has reacted to the sentencing of former Member of Parliament Jolian Silvera. In a press release, it said the sentencing marks an important moment for justice while highlighting the troubling reality of intimate partner violence in Jamaica. President of the PNP Women's Movement, Patricia Duncan Sutherland, said the organization closely followed the sentencing proceedings and welcomed the public's access to the process.
The fact that the sentencing hearing was broadcast live on TV, I believe helped Jamaicans to understand our justice system and understand the logic behind the sentencing.
Mrs. Duncan Sutherland says the women's movement accepts that justice has been served within the framework of the country's laws, but acknowledge that the circumstances surrounding the case remain deeply disturbing. And while the successful prosecution of several intimate partner killings in recent times show the justice system is responding, Mrs. Duncan Sutherland believes the situation remains concerning.
Anger out there in Jamaica with respect to this particular case of intimate partner violence and killing. And it is understandable. And I know and I am happy that we are angry and that there is outrage for intimate partner violence, because it will help us to move into positive action to resolve this problem.